My name is Marcus Anders and I'm from Germany. So I came here to Hunza Valley for paragliding and mountaineering and combining. And actually we just wanted to make a nice first flight and then topland at the hut. But after I think 1 hour of flying, approaching the landing, I hit some really strong turbulences and my wing collapsed to the hillside, and then I crashed into the rocks. I was really impressed about the local people because immediately a friend told the local people that I crashed, and they basically involved everyone to make this rescue happen. And lots of people came to me and helped together to bring me safe down from the mountain. Unfortunately, the accident happened quite soon on my trip, but from what I saw in the very first beginning, it's like a super nice and impressive place, and the people are nice, helpful, and I really enjoyed being here. When you inform yourself about going to Pakistan, you hear lots of different stuff, and you're a little bit concerned about how is safety and how is it if something happens. And what I experienced, I was like super impressed by the friendliness and the helpfulness of the people, and if something happens they really want to help, and I always had a feeling to be safe. There's on the German embassy, there's, if you want to go to a foreign country, they write some notes, and you have to take care on actually terrorism. Because at some parts there is some problem, but in the area Gilgit-Baltistan it's actually quite safe, and well, it's a decision you have to make for your own. So they carefully checked my leg. I broke my upper leg on the crash, and they gave me some good treatment, and actually they also told me that they can fix it here. But as this injury is also stick to a longer process with physiotherapy and stuff, and it is stable, I decided to make this in Germany. Okay. On Friday I will be shifted to Skardu, Islamabad, and then back to Germany. But there will be a plane from Skardu and no stop in. Thank you very much for helping together and bringing me down from the mountain, because it was just possible with the help of all together, and actually it saved my life.
पाकिस्तान ड्रीम एडवेंचर कंपनी है हमारी, वो ही रन करते हैं, ये हमारा क्लाइंट है।
ओके।
तो ये जब होटल से निकला था, इनके पास जीपीएस होता है, जीपीएस के थ्रू मुझे मैसेज मिला कि की क्रैश लैंडिंग हुई है।
ओके।
तो मैंने फ़ौरन 1122 को कॉल की, फिर हमारा रेस्क्यू टीम है, फोकस, जर्ट और हुंजा पैराग्लाइडिंग क्लब, उनको मैंने जब इतला दी तो सारे वो जो रेस्क्यू टीम थी उनकी ऊपर माउंटेन की तरफ मूव कर गए। तो बड़ी मुश्किल था वो रेस्क्यू करना, तो बहरहाल हमने रेस्क्यू किया वहाँ से। रेस्क्यू करने में फोकस टीम थी, सर्ट टीम, हुंजा पैराग्लाइडिंग क्लब और कुछ वॉलंटियर्स थे, और हमारी पुलिस
Hunza basically paragliders जो कहते हैं कि this is the heaven on the earth for paragliding. Paragliding वालों के लिए एक जन्नत है. तो ये पहला या आखिरी केस नहीं है, इसके बाद इस तरह के केसेस होंगे रहेंगे, क्योंकि इस साल ही एक्सपेक्टेड 100+ में पायलट्स आने वाले हैं. इसके लिए हमें मुकामी लोगों को और गवर्नमेंट को हमें साथ बैठ के कोई ऐसा लाएहमल तैयार करनी होगी, कोई रेस्क्यू का कोई निज़ाम तैयार करनी होगी. ये फर्द वाहिद ना गवर्नमेंट इस कर सकती है, ना लोकल, जब तक लोकल जिस एरिया में लोकल इन्वॉल्व ना हो वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. उनका जो टीम्स है 1122 वाले, उनके साथ भी हम कोऑर्डिनेट करके कुछ ऐसा लाएहमल कोई निज़ाम सेट करें कि जो ही एक्सीडेंट होती है उनको फौरन रेस्क्यू करना है.